Call. Answer. Text. Reply. I am calling my friend. I am answering the phone. I am texting my mom. I am replying to an email. Smile. Laugh. Cry. Yawn. I am smiling at my friend. I am laughing at the joke. I am crying during the movie. I am yawning because I'm tired. Give. Receive. Send. Deliver. I am giving a gift. I am receiving a letter. I am sending a message. I am delivering a package. Catch. Throw. Kick. Hit. I am catching the ball. I am throwing the frisbee. I am kicking the ball. I am hitting the drum. Build. Fix. Break. Repair. I am building a house. I am fixing my car. I am breaking the stick. I am repairing my phone. Teach. Learn. Study. Practice. I am teaching a lesson. I am learning a new skill. I am studying English. I am practicing my English. Pull. Push. Lift. Drop. I am pulling the door open. I am pushing the box forward. I am lifting the box. I am dropping the pen. Cook. Boil. Fry. Grill. I am cooking dinner. I am boiling water. I am frying potatoes. I am grilling chicken. Cut. Paste. Fold. Tie. I am cutting the paper. I am pasting the picture. I am folding my clothes. I am tying my shoelaces. Sing. Dance. Play. Listen. I am singing a song. I am dancing at the party. I am playing the guitar. I am listening to music. Paint. Draw. Erase. Color. I am painting the wall. I am drawing a picture. I am erasing a mistake. I am coloring the sketch. Turn. Spin. Shake. Wave. I am turning left. I am spinning in circles. I am shaking the bottle. I am waving at my friend. Think. Imagine. Remember. Forget. I am thinking about my answer. I am imagining the future. I am remembering our conversation. I am forgetting my keys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like and share it with your friends.